What is up, Print Squad? I am back with another video, and today I'm doing a behind the scenes video. So if you guys want to see what's going on, stay tuned.
TshirtChick.
Alright, y'all, first off, y'all remember the video I did on the green channel about the jerseys? Well, right here I actually have the jerseys. Tomorrow I will be having to print the jerseys, and I'm also going to show you guys. Y'all see how let me set the camera up so I can show you guys, but I'm going to show you guys how these jerseys were pretty much butchered, you know. But tomorrow I'll be doing that. I'll be printing on those. I'm going to go ahead and come in here and show you guys what's going on. I'm washing out the screens right here. I have the degreaser on the screens where I'm washing them out in here. And if you come to the closet or the dark room, I've already done 2 of them. So before I leave the shop here in a little bit, I have to wash and coat all of these screens so that they'll be ready for tomorrow, because the design that I'm printing tomorrow, I'm about to trip over a water bottle. But yeah, the design that I'm printing tomorrow is going to be this design right here, but it's actually going to be on the white side, so I won't have to print the white. I'm just going to be printing blue and yellow. Yeah, so you know, that's what I'm going to be doing tomorrow. So I'll be doing a video for that on the green channel, and y'all can check it out tomorrow. Alright, so I have showed y'all what I got going on. Gotta wash the rest of these screens out. As you see right here, I got 4 more to wash. 5 more actually, because that one is in there. And oh, this just fell. Why did it fall? I don't know why it fell. So I'm gonna go ahead and wash this screen out, and then when I get ready to coat the screens, I guess I'll, you know, film a little bit for y'all, because it's just the behind the scenes. If y'all want to see the real video, y'all gonna have to check tomorrow on the green channel. Print Squad, I'm sorry about that. I kind of got busy and, you know, kind of left y'all hanging a little bit. I was you know, I had to wash the screens out. I already coated the screens, even though I was supposed to kind of show y'all what I was doing, and I forgot. I'm sorry, but this is a behind the scenes video. You will get to see more action. So right now, let me turn this light off. But right now, what I'm gonna show y'all is the screens in here are drying. I said right here, you see I already have them coated with emulsion. I have my dehumidifier right there. Got the fan on. We got the heater on, just in case the temp drop tonight and it'll flip on. Alright, but yeah, so y'all be looking, y'all make sure that y'all tune in. Let me turn this light on because y'all can't see me. Y'all make sure y'all tune in tomorrow on the green channel, because this video, the video me printing, you know, what I'm going to be printing will be up tomorrow. I thank y'all for watching. If you like the video, hit the thumbs up button. If you haven't subscribed to the green and the red channel, go ahead and also hit the notification bell. And if you're not a member of the Print Squad group on Facebook, y'all can join that also. And be sure to follow me on Instagram at TshirtChick TV. And if you're interested in any of the products or equipment that I use, check the links down below this video. And I will see you in the next video. Print Squad out.